So the first 1,000 days of a child's life, they are so important. It represents the most active period of brain development. But new data shows some toddlers may not be getting all of the recommended nutrients to support that development. Joining us now with tips on how to help your toddler get proper nutrition is Dr. Nicole Avina. So doctor, you are a psychologist, nutrition expert, and an Enfagrow brand ambassador. What are you seeing when it comes to toddlers' diets?
Well, we know that 85% of brain development happens within the first 3 years of life, and poor nutrition during this time can have long-lasting effects. A new study from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey has shown that many of the key nutrients that are important to get during this critical window are not being met. And so things like iron, for example, which is so important for immune health and for growth, we're seeing that approximately 1.2 million children in the US aged 1 to 3 are struggling with a possible iron deficiency. Also, vitamin D, which is so important for bone health, many children are not getting their adequate intake of it. And DHA, which is important for brain development, the study is showing that 97% of children aged 1 through 6 are not getting the adequate amount of DHA in their diet.
Okay, and what can parents do at home to help their child get those recommended nutrients that they need to support their development?
Yeah, so there's lots of things that parents can do. So one thing is to explore books about food to encourage children to be interested in trying different types of foods. That's a really low-key, low-stress approach. Also, think about trying to incorporate a garden or growing some plants in your yard. This is a great way to get kids interested in trying different types of produce. Also, you could take a muffin tin and fill it up with a variety of different nutritious snacks like berries and nuts and crackers. And this will allow your child to have some control, but allow parents to have the peace of mind that their child will be making healthy food choices. And lastly, you may want to think about incorporating a toddler nutritional beverage like Enfagrow, which is made by Enfamil. And this is a great way to complement your child's diet and also to fill some of those nutritional gaps. And it's made with real milk. It contains nutrients like DHA, vitamin D. It also contains iron. In fact, just 2 servings of Enfagrow provide 70% of the daily recommended amount of iron. And that's the equivalent of the amount of iron that you would get if you consumed over 2 gallons of milk.
Well, keeping the next generation healthy, that means everything. Thank you for your time, Dr. Nicole.